Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The Canadian dollar weakened against its US counterpart as investors bet that the Bank of Canada would continue its easing campaign this week to support an economy threatened by US trade tariffs. The British benchmark index fell to a near 5-week low, tracking a global equity sell-off as worries about economic growth and uncertainties around US tariffs continued to keep investors on edge. US stocks plunged as relentless tariff wrangling and mounting anxieties arising from the chaos in Washington gave rise to fears that the US economy could be careering into recession. The tech-loaded Nasdaq suffered the most, tanking 4.2%.
The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Gold prices plummeted in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate losses in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Attention turns to the economic calendar as the upcoming days feature a series of high, medium and low impact data releases. Each event carries the potential to influence market sentiment, guiding traders and investors' decision-making. With these events on the horizon, market participants should stay updated and flexible in their approach. The outcomes may shape trading conditions for days to come.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.